What's the purpose of this course?
Well, the purpose of this course is getting everyone up to speed, obviously. So there is a lot of change going on in for NAV, and especially for NAV developers. So new development environment and all that. And yeah, people need to get introduced at least in this new way of development. So that is the main purpose of this this training.
Absolutely. So what do you expect the participants will gain from this course?
Well, first of all, awareness. I think they need to be aware of these new tools, that they will be more, or they can be more productive with these tools. And there is going to be a change in how we are going to develop software in NAV. So awareness is that's what I always try to teach during courses. In 2 days you cannot create the best developer in the world, but in 2 days you can create a humongous amount of awareness, and that is what I try to do.
True. Yeah. So why is this important for a company like Elbek Vejrup?
Well, it is important for every company that does NAV implementations, and also for Elbek Vejrup. If I pronounce that right, I don't know. So yeah, this is where we are heading at, and this is a major change. So yeah, as we need to start as soon as possible to embrace this new way of development. So this is absolutely very important.
So how will this benefit our customers?
Well, one of the focus points of this new way of development is extensions, and that basically means that we will be able to upgrade faster. And upgrades has always been a problem in terms of time investing. If you have a lot of customers, upgrade takes a lot of time. So upgrades is definitely for a NAV company not a major focus point. We want to have customer adds, we want to have new customers, new implementations on new verticals or new products. The thing is, customers should be on the newest release as well, and that has always been quite a problem in our current way of working. With extensions, this basically is solved. So it gives you a completely new development model, which solves your the way how you implement, but also the way how you do upgrades and how you manage all these new versions and stuff like that.
Right. So what's it been like to teach our developers?
Interesting.
Yeah.
This was my first time in a company, basically, because I always teach this at Microsoft when I have like multiple companies in the same room. This is being an interesting experience, because I think this is the right way to go for companies. Because a company, it's like now you have like an entire team talking about this new way of development and motivating maybe the rest of the team. While in the other way you have one developer of an entire team trying to motivate the entire team. That is more difficult. So I hope I will be succeeding in that, is that these people that got the course and they were really attentive. So that was, I think that will happen, they will motivate the rest of the team in introducing them to new types of development.
So what's your impression of our developers' competencies?
Well, they are good.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, but yeah, basically they have been like improving or correcting me in some cases, and they were right, so that's fine. For me it's a workshop, I still learn as well, so that's fine, and they are really good, absolutely. They are above average, much above average, and that is nice. It's nice to have a team that is, let's say, interested in what you have to say. They are interested in what is coming. There are already people working with this new way of development because they are interested, and that is nice to see. Yeah.
So the final question, what do you think will happen in the future of the NAV world?
As I said, it's going to change quite a lot. So Microsoft is focusing on the cloud, and what I think we should do, and this company should do, and everyone should do, is also focusing on that cloud. It does not make any sense to sail against where Microsoft is sailing to. Right? So if they're sailing to the cloud, we need to be following that to the cloud, and a kind of focus to the cloud makes a lot of sense. So yeah, Dynamics 365, smaller apps, multiple customer ads, these kind of things we need to be able to facilitate. And we will need this way of development to be able to facilitate that. So yeah.
that was all for me. So
Okay,
thank you very
then
much.
that was all for me as well. You're welcome.